Unishipper's Freight Manager is an easy-to-use and powerful online freight management shipping solution for your LTL and air freight needs that puts you in the driver's seat. With Freight Manager, you'll have access to a one-stop solution for quoting, booking, tracking, and freight management. Freight Manager will save you time and money. Quickly compare costs and transit times from more than 30 national, regional, and local freight providers including YRC, Saia, and Estes, and then convert your quote into a bill of lading in one easy step. And best of all, Freight Manager is backed by the local personal service that Unishippers is known for.
The Unishippers Freight Manager software is fantastic. It's user-friendly. It allows us to schedule our trucks late at night or early in the morning when people typically aren't available by telephone. We can get everything set up for the next day.
Call us today, and a Unishipper shipping consultant will be happy to discuss just how Freight Manager can work for you.